Hey guys, my name is Jared Braganza, and I'm glad that you could all watch my video to learn a little bit about me and my family. As I said, my name is Jared, and I was born in India, in a place called Nizamabad, but I didn't live there for long. My family moved to England when I was about 8 years old. Sorry, I've got a cold right now, so it's really hard for me to talk. But yeah, so we moved to England when I was 8 years old, and pretty much I only remember my life in England. Not too much about my childhood in India. We used to go there like every 2 to 3 years to visit our family, but that's about it. And again, I was pretty young, and so I couldn't really remember too much. But I did get called to a mission to serve in India, so that was interesting. And yes, my family did come to visit me, although I didn't want them to. Um, but it was great. I loved being back there and to see how the culture has grown, and which is really cool about this class. You know, we learn about culture and diversity. I've definitely seen that in my life, living in England and also living in India as a missionary. Something interesting about myself. I wouldn't say there's too much interesting things. I do like to play the piano. I haven't played in a lot of months though, because of schoolwork and just getting busy. I did get married. I've been married for over a year and a half now, and we have a 6 month old baby as well. And so life is getting busy, and and we love to look after the little baby. I'll show you pictures of my family. Let me just pull it up. Let me move this. Okay, so this is my wife and I. I think these are just a couple months before, or I think it's just a month before we got engaged. And my wife's name is Paisley, and she's from here. She's from Texas. So we met at school here. Pretty generic stuff for BYU students. And this is on our wedding day. We got married in Texas Temple, in the Dallas Temple, and it was really good. It was a hot day. It was like 100 degrees on that day, and I'm sure you all want to see my child. And this is our child, little Magnolia. She's 6 months tomorrow actually, and so she's a really good baby. We love to have her, and we're glad that we were able to be her parents. Going back to the discussion, I loved taking the Gregoric learning style delineator. Is that how you say it? I think it really helped me to see who I am truly inside, that I am the abstract, random learner where you use feelings to determine situations, to use feelings to talk to people, and I feel like that's me. Like I love to relate to people on a personal level, and it helps me to get things done quicker if I can, relate my own life into something that we need to be doing. And it didn't really surprise me, to be honest. I thought that was who I was, and I'm glad that my test showed me that that was me. And so this is a little bit about myself. I'm looking forward to doing this course and to see what else I can learn about myself and also about the cultures around the world. Well, thank you and have a good day.